Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, or VAPT for short. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video has something for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly are vulnerability assessment and penetration testing? It starts with finding weak spots in a system. That's the assessment. Then comes the exciting part, penetration testing, where we exploit these vulnerabilities to see how severe a breach could be. Cyber threats are everywhere, targeting businesses of all sizes. Did you know that 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses and 60% of those businesses close within 6 months of an attack? This makes VAPT essential for everyone. Here's how a typical VAPT process works. First, we plan to determine what needs checking. Next, we discover everything about the target system. Then, we assess to pinpoint vulnerabilities before testing them during exploitation. Finally, we compile our findings into a report. To do this effectively, we rely on powerful tools. Nessus and OpenVAS are great for scanning, while Metasploit and Burp Suite are excellent for penetration tests. Let's see a penetration test in action using Nessus on our dummy site hosted on a Metasploitable server. Here's how you do it. 1. Open Nessus in your web browser at https localhost 34. 2. Log in with your credentials. 3. Click on New Scan and select Basic Network Scan. 4. Name your scan, for example, Tomcat Scan. 5. Enter the target IP address, 192.168.43.154. 6. Click Discover and select Custom for scan type. 7. Under Assessment, choose Scan for all web vulnerabilities. 8. Save the scan and hit play to start scanning. 9. Once the scan is complete, click on the scan name to view details. 10. Click on the IP address, select Mixed, and review the first critical vulnerability. 11. Generate a report to see the complete list of vulnerabilities. Thank you all for sticking with us till the end. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay sharp, stay secure.